Hey guys, I know I haven't been around for a long time. I keep promising weekly videos, but life just keeps getting in the way. I have been pretty busy trying to keep up with the university workload, and to make matters worse, I kinda had a knee injury. Before you ask, no, I didn't crash my bike or anything, but it did mean I didn't get to ride for an awful lot of time. However, my knee has got a lot better and I'm on a semester break, so you can expect some new videos soon. It feels great to be back on the bike. I will try to ride more than just green and blue trails, but I will take it slow. Can't risk messing up my knee again. Anyways, I'm starting at Simon Fraser University. It sits on top of Barnaby Mountain and is surrounded by a wide range of trails. There's a trail for everybody, from long flowy trails to rough technical ones, with some North Shore features sprinkled here and there. Can't wait to show it all to you guys. There's so much I haven't discovered yet. Mount Seymour, Fromme, heck, even Whistler is on my bucket list. I'm gonna keep riding and progress on my skills before I try and tackle those. Till then, ride hard and I'll see you on the next one.